coming to buy me to go there so he would continue to enjoy, and me, I won't even have access to him. So they'll chop your money, then they go and vote again. Then you turn around to blame them. You must blame yourself.
And now you can say Ghana for still your work because of me. Kufuor, or member Ghana for chow. Say a member for Kwasia, member na member and member here me papa top of Tammy.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH my bros. Subscribe, share, me to my now on Sa Academy. Former president, dear Kufuor, I one of the finest Ghanaian presidents who has ever lived in Ghana. I don't know buy na bank for HSS no one morning day. Or by Sisa Ghana or Sisa Ghana ye. Wakasa. Last week me a video na me bisa say na me papa Kufuor way. Me kan no say me ba maba. Me kan ya 2 days na ye wa Kufuor ebe kasa ai. Na nyansa ni kasa wo se we nyansa wom. Nyansa wom. Yankoni ekotie opani Kufuor ni nyansa no ne ba ye beto.
People talk monetization. Monetization. Everybody is angry. There's so much unemployment. We tend to know people. Today you get to some position and then you manage to get some money. When it comes to vote, you want to come and give me money. Oh, go and vote for me. Well, because I'm angry, I may take. But in my mind's eye, this guy I used to know. We used to share kokwaya atutu or something together. Now he is coming to buy me to go there so he would continue to enjoy, and me, I won't even have access to him. So they'll chop your money, then they go and vote against you. Then you turn around to blame them. You must blame yourselves. When it happens like that, we must blame ourselves. Because the people, as poor as they are, they want quality service. Our principles are there, high principles. High principles. And I believe when we are talking party, we must know is the principles we subscribe to, not the person who just on a temporary basis has been given the vote. Yes, Dankwa espoused democracy, but the party is not Dankwa. Buzia did, the party is not Buzia. Kufuor got the chance. Kufuor is not the party, not a Kufuor, not any one man. It's the principles, the undying principles. And if we'll all be true to the principles, then I tell you, our party is the party of now and the future. Ghana will continue to support us, but we must be true to the principles.
Let me tell you one thing. MPP, muntie me. Somebody me about one more America. The current crop of executives at the MPP, they all need to go. Me Jabakupo. They are all useless people. They don't even know their left from their right. They don't know anything. I'm telling you. They don't know anything. Especially that national organization, they were born cold. Some best starting now person would be you need to start what we call internal process. And what is internal process? Making sure say near maybe a more share Ghana for before no NCB. And now you can say Ghana for still your work. Because what me be? Kufuor, Mr. Kufuor. Kufuor, or member Ghana for chow. Say a member of Kwasia, member na mebu and mebu here me papa top of Tammy. Or Mekai. Because a member na Kwasia member na nya and Koye. And then, sitting and I'm 10 CDC. A choir could see 23 cities. Okay, I'm a memo, and maybe I mean, someone who said, listen, and then we got top fuller. Me do one of me top fuller. Obey me be some MPP and NDC. Me again and me top fuller. 80 say a co-year, mammy. Me young Kwasia phony bina, Sabi or baby, no one never cross a one of me walk. Me, yes, sir. Who you gun and you're a gun and it's any makers and a gun and you. And then you're right, Domahama buy a near Makoye, Mamma Bona Basso. Because or a gun and And then me say and then near my koye and then you can say data yatiso. Bibia from. It is an MPP. Some person must by more. You fat Adiana with the core and now. On one Muslim community from one to a man. A Christopher and to a man. Even the intellectuals. A man to a man. Baumia. Abandon on your 30s. Every currency that says sitting president. Then you're 38%. It means that the man baggage in a one is too much. Obiya say he was a mate. It means to say you don't even have the balls. Because what it be? Some who say you were Kufuor government and for you know, if you have the balls, you should have resigned. And say, your mommy need went to resigning. But you kept on. You really what could you ex gracia? Why did this get you have to say I'm putting blame on Kufuor, who was the head of what? The economic management team, Baumia. People see him as a poodle. A poodle. Obi a bit manipulating. It means that you're about me by yet we are. And a crime MPP. Why I get chrono more dreamy or men like you who back to pull. By your Canada at the port, or the business one to be. And not in your Kufuor can say, Mama steal the whole when for 1 month. We are married. Nyansa no mama no. A process. Obi adwin se the team. This is a time to even open what? More electoral more. So that the masses are almost forming the 38% who voted for they can vote properly. Now we a mistake. Now we go jam baby now we can see the bomb because a Kufuor for 10 times and we are 20 times. And you know me dear. Someone about me, I could be on the mobile 2068. Because the way because of the selfishness of your executive, they want to rush the process. What I say? Because Ombudsman said, "You got two Abasi executives, they will put them off by your two Abani Baumia, or make me what a protection." So that they maintain way. This is stupidness. And the so-called the elders of the party, you want to react. Sa na mko ye, ba mi amode ne ko, me catch am say modde ne ko marry more so. Poto. Mo sa ni ko bi am mesa re. Because mo sua nyansa. Mo ni nyansa yesua anka mo ba e kwanka the executive come on resigning, go on report. One year from the presidency to the last month, what fairly Ghana for? Now, when you know your money, Baba said, give me another chance. Which another chance? When you be sick of what they are, no more general, except a Akasha, a Koshaki, near the queue. But this is a man who made Ghana great again. Or you'll be a buy in Ghana. You're 20 up and some of your inflation was single digits. Interest rate now down. Now banks, HSC, MSK, he has seen it all. He has or your political giants. It's or can't some now with Jimmy here and your mom lie. Now more back to a banner. So when you executive if you're not to a baby and come baby, I'm less hard. I told you to members of that share. You two man outside of the manners.
Hello, keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.